gate. And they're off. Perspective Union from the rail and straight to the front for Marlon St. Julian. Caesar's Coin breaks well. And here's Brigade Commander off the Calhoun bench, also mixing it up. These three across the track. And Lime Rock in the black cap, a well-spotted fourth for Richard Aramia. Inside that is Midnight Shark Bite, fifth but close. Red Hot Eyed is next, heading to the half-mile pole. Out wide, Grand Point Secret, along with nearest the inside, going into the far turn, Stole de Goal, the King of Texas, and Moses Fire, wide and dropping back to last. The first couple of furlongs in 22 3/5 seconds. Brigade Commander led past the three. Brigade Commander in front of Caesar's Coin. The early leader, Perspective Union, third at the rail. Lime Rock is 4 lengths off of Brigade Commander at the quarter pole. Midnight Shark Bite is fifth and heading the rest. Homeward bound, half mile in 46 4. Brigade Commander in front at 4:25 on. Brigade Commander in front down this final Fairgrounds furlong, slipping away from Caesar's Coin. Perspective Union, Lime Rock and the rest. Here's Brigade Commander and Jesse Campbell. Brigade Commander geared down. Brigade Commander romps 1 by 7 from Perspective Union. Caesar's Coin, a well clear fourth. Lime Rock. Rodney Orr. Winner is owned by Royal Colors Racing LLC. Of Michael J. Rose, trained by Brett Calhoun with Jesse Campbell.